Good morning. Welcome to day 1 of online workshop on First Tech Challenge Season 2020-21. Organized by FRC Teamar Factor from Mumbai. In collaboration with InfinityX STEM Foundation, program delivery partners of FTC in India. Thank you for joining the today's session. I would like to present Mr. Ram, Head of Corporate Relations and Academia. Sir, please take it forward.
I am Ramchandran Jayaraman, Head of Corporate and Academic Relations from InfinityX Tech Systems Private Limited, a parent company led by Mr. Ashvin. We are a young and dynamic company led by digital transformation professionals with over 100 plus man years of solutioning experience in Industry 4 technologies covering IoT, AR, VR, CAD, and IT and converged systems domain. We are partners with PTC, Unity 3D, and HP for the entire spectrum of services and solutions for a digitally connected world. In this highly competitive market, we provide digital innovation leading to a transformational impact on how industries can upgrade to their current offerings to customers by leveraging augmented reality and virtual reality. These cutting-edge technologies ensure customers' satisfaction by driving cost effectiveness, profitability, and better market visibility, helping organizations in quicker product development, implementation, training, and customer support and go-to-market strategies. Our service offerings are all about understanding customer operations, pain points, opportunities, biggest cost expenditures, and then working from the pain points to apply technologies to design a solution that best fits the organization. InfinityX, in association with our STEM Foundation and valued customers, would like to promote and seek sponsorship in participation in FTC robotics competition that motivates young students to pursue education and career opportunities in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics while building a self-confidence and knowledge. Big goals get big results is the apt slogan to inspire us to do more and more better in everything we do. I take this opportunity on behalf of InfinityX to thank each one of you for your valuable time and support for this initiative, and I am confident that you will continue to do so in the future too. It gives me immense happiness to be on this platform that opens the doors for exciting times for our future generations. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, I would like to present Mr. Ashvin, founder of InfinityX STEM Foundation. Sir, please take it forward.
Hello everybody, I am Ashvin from InfinityX STEM Foundation. I welcome all the participants in this online workshop. I am sure the attendance is a mix of students, mentors, parents, and STEM champions. Since the Government of India recently implemented its new education policy, replacing decade-old one, emphasis on STEM education has been reinforced, and rightly so, since it is in need of the hour. STEM education helps students make the leap from users of technology to innovators. But what exactly is STEM education? It is just for what it stands for: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics? The answer is no. It is beyond that. Even if it is relatively a new term in the Indian education sector, a robust STEM education creates critical thinkers, problem solvers, and next generation innovators. Taking into consideration that India is one of the countries that produces the highest number of scientists and engineers, we are now at a stage where the number of STEM related jobs are growing at a fast pace and currently outstripping the number of STEM graduates. According to the National Science Foundation, it is predicted that 80% of the job created in the next decade will require some form of mathematics and science skills. Despite having the top quality talent, the exam-focused education model of the past has limited the students when it comes to innovation, problem solving, and creativity. This is where the STEM players come to fill the gap. At first, we We are the world's leading youth service non-profit advancing STEM education promoters. Founded back in 1989 by the visionaries Dean Carmen and late Woody Flowers in the USA. First family has now grown to 110 countries globally. For over 30 years, First has combined the rigor of STEM learning with the fun and excitement of traditional sports and inspiration that comes from community through programs that have proven impact on learning interests and skill building inside and outside the classroom. I represent First in India as a program delivery partner of First Take Challenge. This teaches young students to think like engineers. Teams design, build, and code robots to compete in alliance format against other teams. Robots are built from a reusable platform powered by Android technology and can be coded easily using a variety of levels of Java-based programming. The exciting thing about First Take Challenge is all skill levels are needed, both technical as well as non-technical. Students and adult team members are encouraged to showcase all their skills like coding, electronics, metalworking, graphic design, website creation, public speaking, videography, teamwork, and more. Senior coaches guide the young students as they gain skills and confidence in a supportive, inclusive environment. Back in 2010, when robotics was a rather new term, even for the industry, I was excited to be part of the inception of First Take Challenge in India with PTC, John Deere, Caterpillar, and Harari Limited. And thereafter, each year, the competition has generated greater excitement and enthusiasm among young minds. I have been involved in global education program in India's South Rim and Middle East that has impacted over 15,000 teachers and professors, 30,000 schools, and over 100,000 students, and inspiring new generation for success in the world of science and technology. As a philanthropic approach to promote the STEM education among students, I have established InfinityX STEM Foundation, a not-for-profit company. My objective is to promote STEM revolution in India to inspire and motivate students for entering engineering, science, technology. By creating skill resources, purpose of InfinityX to contribute to the growth of the nation through education among students that is the future of our country. First has always been promoting the philosophy of competition. It is cooperation and competition and gracious professionalism that encourages teamwork with high quality work, emphasizes the value of others, and respects individuals and the community. Today it gives me immense pleasure and happiness to introduce this free online 2-day webinar. This webinar will a comprehensive overview on First Take Challenge Season 2020-21 Ultimate Goal, presented by Qualcomm. I would like to thank Kane Johnson, Director of FTC, and all the First leadership for the trust they continue to show on us. Our wonderful international field operation manager, Jenny Alabi, without whose tireless efforts, none of this would be possible for us. Also, thank you, long-time staying champions and staunch followers of First philosophies, Timothy from Caterpillar, Pat Barnes from John Deere, Natalie Ducey from Qualcomm. I thank from bottom of my heart to our founding supporter, Ma'am Ashvin Zaveri of NRB Bearings Limited, one of the largest producer of roller and ball bearings producer in India. Her guidance, support, and patronage have always been the key factor behind the success of program in India. My friend and mentor Bharatji Agarwal from Vishwakarma University, Dr. Swati Muzumdar from Symbiosis Skill Professional University, and Chief Innovation Officer from Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, Shri Abhayji, who has always been guiding us on the right path, and I am grateful and thankful to you all. Thank you, Shri Hanumant Raoji Gaikwad, CMD of BVG India Limited, India's largest integrated solution provider, which employs more than 75,000 people all across India. Hanumant Raoji has always graced us with his insight, and even in his busy schedule, and has always been rather excited to provide a lot of support, including state-of-the-art emergency medical service free of cost at all events of FTC in India for the last 3 years. Mr. Puneet Singh, Mr. Pushkar Apte, Mr. Anirban Mukherjee from Qualcomm India, thank you for being instrumental in this program. And how can I forget to thank our wonderful head judge, Shankara, who makes sure that even I do not get to know the winners until prize distribution. Hats off to your enthusiasm and passion, sir. Thanks to all the stakeholders and Team InfinityX who have been contributing to First Tech Challenge passionately and voluntarily year on year. And finally, all the students of FRC team are factor and team's highly energetic mentor and my dear friend, STEM friend, Nilesh Shah. A big kudos for all of the efforts you are taking in this workshop. I wish you the best and grand success. Thank you all for all your valuable time. Come join us in this journey in creating a wonderful future for our next generation. All the best.